Hi everybody! It's time to document week 2 in my Project Life album. I'm using the January scrap kit from Document Life Stories, and first I'm going through all the quote and journaling cards to pick the ones I'm using in this week for the empty pockets. Then I'm starting with making the week card. I made this card previously as a photo background mat, but I ended up not using it. But it fits perfectly in a 3x4 pocket, so I can use it now. The card looks similar to the one I made in week 1. I'm just using some washi tape and then the label as a spot to put the alpha stickers. Next, I have two 3x4-inch photos, one of the cake that I had on my birthday and one with the beautiful flowers that I got from work. The back of the photos is a 4x6 photo, so I'm sticking the two together with some washi tape to make it the same size. I'm using the labels from the kit and some birthday stamps from Kellie stamp for some journaling on the photo with the cake. I'm trying out a couple of different stamps from the set, but I end up going with one that says hip hip hooray and some balloons. I want to save the card that came with the flowers, so I'm making a hidden pocket behind the photo. To make sure that the card won't be lost inside or it won't slip down too far, I'm adding some paper to prevent it to fall to the bottom. I'm adding some ribbon to the card, to the hole that was already in there, and to make it stick the way that I want it to stick, I first glue the ribbon down to the card and then I add a small staple. I'm using one of the design papers that I used on the weekly card as a repetitive element for the other pockets. For this photo that is showing all the labels that I made using my Cricut for another different project, I'm taking a strip of the paper and I'm gluing the label that says little details on top, and then I'm adding it to the photo. I was putting the photos back in their pockets and then I saw the girl on the week 1 card and I remembered that I wanted that to be a repeating element throughout the album. So actually I'm not done with the week card yet. I'm going through the girls in the embellishment set and I'm choosing one of the smaller ones that fits nicely in the gap between the stickers and the edge of the card. I'm coloring her hair and then the card is really done. Next up is the quote card. To make this card fit better with the rest of the week, I'm adding a strip of the design paper right between the text and the heart. I'm adding some enamel dots as a finishing touch, and that's enough decoration for me. This week I finished playing Uncharted 4, and of course I had to document that. I'm using a label for some quick journaling about this moment and I added to the photo together with a heart. And that's it for this picture. The last photo is from the beautiful Adventure Scrap Kit that I'm using this whole month. One of the silicone banners says Great Adventures, and that felt like a good one to describe the kit. I'm adding a small strip of the same design paper and then putting the silicone banner on top of that. And that brings the whole week together. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please give me a like if you enjoyed it and leave me a comment to let me know how you're documenting your year. Please tag me on Instagram if I've given you inspiration for your own documenting, and following me there would make me very happy as well. Bye! See you in the next video.